Hey, this is Ross from Protect Epoxy Floors in Port Richey, Florida. Today we're in Land O'Lakes and we're starting a three-part job. So this is the first part, which is a two-car garage that we're going to do baseboards in this garage as well. So we definitely have some real rough areas in the baseboard themselves. So all these voids we're going to have to fill before we put the baseboards on. So we're going to use a PCD, get all the rough construction material off them. Then we're going to go back and fill them with an epoxy compound. So we're going to fill these expansion joints, which are actually a little chunky. We're going to break this seal cap off. And again, here's a lot more voids in the that we're going to fix. So Lauren's actually changing all the diamonds now. And she's putting these on here that we're going to break through this cap. And we are going to do the front porch as well as the back porch. So right now we're going to concentrate on getting the garage set up. Okay, so we've done a bit of grinding in here right now. What we're going to kind of do is we're going to try start to transpose a little bit so we're not tripping over one another. And we'll just jump back and forth between the two spots. So as you can see, we started the baseboard, started knocking down all that extra stuff. We haven't addressed the cracks or anything yet, but just want to do a quick jump in here. And again, we'll do a quick video of this. And as you can see, this part of the job just got started as we were working and didn't really get a chance to shoot a video. So this floor kind of has a, looks like a cool deck, but it's not really a cool deck. It's a knockdown with a lot of paint on it. So as we're getting over here, it's getting thicker and thicker. So we're actually going to switch tools and go with a more traditional coating removal tool. And then we'll come back and we'll grind it again. So pretty good progress. And we're working around the sun because it's right now, the heat index is a little over 100. So we're trying to be in the shade. Okay, just wanted to jump in and do a quick video. So here we have the lead-in edge, all prepped up, ready to go. To actually do some repairs on there. And here's where we did the baseboards, and we had to fill in all those voids. So Lauren's getting ready to put the epoxy primer on there. And you can see now all the voids are gone. So that's definitely some extra prep, but it does make a big difference. And as you can see, the expansion joints are filled. We're down to bare concrete. Everything is definitely prepped up right. Okay, so we have the entryway all prepped up, fixed some cracks. Again, we're down to bare concrete aggregate. So you can see how nice the prep looks. So anyway, what we got here is a little bit of a trip hazard. It's about a 1/4 inch off, nothing terrible, but we did grind that down, talked to the homeowner about it, and just said let's just grind that so nobody trips. Okay, so here's the finished product of the 2-car that we're doing on this 3-part job. So this is a 2-car garage, full chip with baseboards, polyspartic top coat. And as you can see here, that prep with the baseboards really pays off. It looked great. Knocking off all that additional material and filling those voids just really makes it look much nicer. So here's our detailing around the hot water heater. And this color is California Gray. So here's where we cleaned up the apron. And here's the lead-in edge. We actually had to fill a couple voids along this edge. Rounded it over, looks great. Job looks good. Okay, so here's the second part of our 3-part job. We did the 2-car, the front entry. Full diamond grinding. Remove the previous coating with top coat knockdown. So again, this is a full chip. Polyspartic top coat. And this color is California Gray. Okay, here's the third part of our 3-part job, which was a 2-car garage with baseboards, a front porch, and the back porch. So we just finished this up. There's certainly a lot of sun back here, so you can appreciate the top coat and probably appreciate the color a little bit more out here too in this direct sun. And this color is California Gray. So this is a relatively new slab. I mean, it's fully cured, but it's definitely a little bit of a grade here, and it's a little bit in motion. So there's a bunch of cracks that we all filled before we did anything. But we did honor the expansion joints in this case, because the contractor put some big expansion joints here, so we honored them. But this looks great. They're going to cage this in. They're going to have a beautiful back spot. And I can tell you, with this sun, they definitely need some cover back here. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.